Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fix Brave browser ads. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it launches, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines stacked together, which is your main menu icon. Click on these three lines, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you into Brave's configuration area where you can adjust how the browser handles ads and trackers. Once you're in the Settings menu, look at the left panel on your screen. You'll see various options listed vertically. Click on Shields from this panel. The Shields feature is Brave's built-in system for blocking unwanted content, and this is where you'll make your first important adjustment to fix ad-related issues. Now, within the Shields settings, look for an option labeled Trackers and Ads Blocking. Right beside this label, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and you'll see two options, Standard and Aggressive. Here's an important note about these settings. Standard is designed for the best privacy for most users and works well in most situations. Aggressive, on the other hand, adds stronger blocking capabilities but may break some websites or cause certain features not to load properly. Choose the one that best fits your browsing needs. Next, go back to the left panel and click on Extensions. Browser extensions can sometimes interfere with Brave's ad blocking capabilities or even inject their own ads into your browsing experience. Once you're in the Extensions section, click on Manage Extensions. Here you'll see a list of all the extensions currently installed in your browser. Go through this list carefully and toggle off any extension you're not actively using, or better yet, remove extensions you don't need entirely. This helps eliminate potential conflicts and improves your browser's performance. Now return to the left panel once more and click on Privacy and Security. This section contains tools for clearing out data that might be causing ad-related problems. Once you're in this section, click on Delete Browsing Data. This action opens a new window where you can choose what data to clear. Click on More to expand your options, then select All Time from the time range options. This ensures you're clearing out all accumulated data that could be causing issues. Finally, click Delete from this device to complete the cleanup process. Give your browser a moment to clear everything out. And that's it. You've now adjusted your Shield settings, cleaned up problematic extensions, and cleared your browsing data to fix ad issues in Brave. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.